Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog. It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
This human child froze me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me with
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
Why not understand?
Clowns, this way!
We are at the scene, number one. The gun unit in position. Spread out and lock it down. Nothing down here. Be on the lookout for this child. No humans back here. The gun unit in charge today.
Why? Hey, Morty, yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up! I've got most more set up on the scare floor.
You done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now. Never find her.
Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo. Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now. Almost there, kiddo.
Still going? Oh, no. Slam it!
Not so fast. It's been the most terrifying day of my life. Up, kiddo.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.